Add 45 and 6 hundredths plus 5 and 29 hundredths. Whenever you add decimals, you have to remember to make sure that you set it up and line the decimals one above the other. So if I write out 45 and 6 hundredths, the other one's decimal has to be directly under it. So 5 and 29 hundredths, like that. Now we add them up the way we normally would. We just have to remember to carry over the decimal where it's supposed to be carried over. 6 plus 9 is 15. Write out your 5, carry the 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. Nothing carries over, but don't forget to drop down your decimal. 5 plus 5 is 10. Write out a 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. And we end up with 50 and 35 hundredths.